So today I will be talking about explicit memory. Explicit memory is a declarative memory, which means memory for specific events or things. Explicit memory occurs when things are definitive or clear. There are two kinds of explicit memory, episodic and semantic. They can be identified based on the type of information that they hold. Episodic memory. Episodic memory is a type of memory that is long-term and involves conscious recollection of previous experiences, together with their context in terms of time, place, and associated emotions. Episodic memory can also be described as a conscious memory of a previous experience or something I remember. Semantic memory. Semantic memory is a type of long-term memory involving the capacity to recall words, concepts, or numbers. This is essential for the use of and understanding of language. Semantic memory is also something you know. There are different types of episodic events, such as specific events, personal facts, such as the make and model of your first car, general events, which could be something as simple as your first kiss, or flashbulbs, which are certain snapshots of memories and events that you remember. Episodic and semantic continued. Research has showed that on learning tasks, participants performed better when new information was aligned with prior knowledge, suggesting that semantic knowledge of a task provides a sort of framework for new episodic learning.